Today we're making these amazing Hawaiian meatballs. Let's get into the recipe. So we're going to start by marinating some ground beef. Here I'll be using some stuffing. This is what it looks like, and we're going to add some crushed pineapples in here. We're also going to add some seasonings, which I will list everything I use in my description or the caption. I'll also add some green seasoning, and now we'll go ahead and just combine everything. Mix well to combine, and then we'll go ahead and form our meatballs. And let me just mention that I did hydrate the stuffing in hot water before adding it to the ground beef. You can also use breadcrumbs here if you don't want to use the stuffing. And you can also form your meatballs however big or small you would like. It's all about your personal preference. Once done, you want to place them in a 400-degree oven for 30 minutes. Now let's go ahead and make our sauce using some pineapple juice, some barbecue sauce, ketchup, molasses. We will add some pineapple preserves, some mustard, and some sugar. Mix everything well to combine and let it simmer for about 10 minutes on low heat. After 30 minutes, these are now done. Next, you want to add some diced pineapples into the sauce, and then we will nestle our meatballs in, cover, and allow them to simmer on low heat for 30 minutes. And this is when they were completely done. They look and smell absolutely amazing. These were actually requested by one of my amazing YouTube subscribers, and I just hope it met all your expectations because this surely did for me. This can be, a nice appetizer. You can take it to an event like a cookout, a baby shower, whatever, but these were chef kiss, and I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and I will leave all my ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.